भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel Discover with Swapna. First of all, wish you all a happy new year. In this video, I am going to show you my puja cabinet. So, let's get started. If you are first time visiting our channel, please check my previous videos. If you like those, please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. Our puja cabinet is present in the northeast point beside kitchen. While making house plan, we have taken into consideration to have proper place for puja cabinet. If we have good enough space for 4 people to sit in the room, then it's good to go for puja room. Otherwise, I prefer to have puja cabinet like this where all the family members can sit comfortably in the open space in front of cabinet, especially during festival or any special puja happenings at home. Also, it gives me a pleasant feeling to catch the sight of lighted diyas, which is very much possible with this kind of puja cabinet as it is not a closed room. For these reasons, we prefer not to have puja room and opted for this kind of puja cabinet. Here we placed CNC cutting design and we closed it with glass to avoid any dust. As we have broad space here, we have placed double doors and we have used glass instead of complete wooden carvings. We have these bell designs on both the sides and other divine symbols on these 4 areas. We also have Om, Swastik and lotus wooden carvings. We have 3 drawers for storage here. And we have this pull out for extra space to keep things during puja. As we have white combination in our puja cabinet design, we have used white quartz here. We have placed all the god frames on this plank. And we have this extra support to make sure that frames wouldn't slip. The reason why we placed frames on this plank is while cleaning the slab, we don't have to move the frames. It makes cleaning easy. Here we have another plank where we kept small idols. Some of these were gifted by friends and relatives. Some we bought when we visited some special places. We bought this small white Vinayaka idol when we visited Agra. And this Vinayaka is made with 9 different types of cereals. We bought this in Tirupati. Krishna idols were gifted by friends when I was pregnant. I should tell you all about this Om wooden frame. I always wanted to place a different item in this place. I wanted it to be a spiritual thing, but it should not be a regular god frame. I searched for a long time in many shops and online stores. Finally, I got this beautiful piece. I really liked it and it just looks perfect here. I bought this from a website called Wall Mantra. It has a great collection of wooden hangings, paintings and wall decoratives. If you want to buy anything from the website, I have a coupon code. I am giving it in description. You can use that code to get 20% discount. I hang this beautiful brass bell here. I bought this one in Amazon. We also bought these artificial flower garlands. These are supposed to be used for main door decoration, but we have used it for Puja Mandir, and with this our Puja Mandir has become more colorful. We also have this lighting arrangement around this frame. Coming to storage part, In the first drawer, I placed all the necessary things for puja and also silver items. I keep silver items in the Ziploc bags so that they won't shade out. In this box, I store all the necessary things like kumkum, turmeric, etc. It's good to have more depth for this storage as we can place oil bottles and other things comfortably. In the second drawer, I kept all extra things which I don't use much frequently. I stored diyas in this box. In the third one, I kept this thing which is used to break coconut, and this diya which can be used in outdoors. These two stools are used to sit during any special pujas. These are strong and are of big size. Got this made by carpenters during our woodwork as per our need. We also used matching laminate for this. And this is another stool which we generally use for Vinayaka Chavati and for any other special pujas to keep God idols. Just showing as it might be useful for you. I'm sharing a good thought with you. The best puja, the best form of worship is to be peaceful, happy and grateful.
So that's all about our puja cabinet. Hope you liked it. Please share your thoughts and views in comment section. I will see you in next video. Until then, bye.